This is a pass-fail. Yep. There's nothing to turn into there. What the hell are you doing? Get off my ass, will ya? Yep. Yep. There's nothing there to go into, ladies. It's been closed for like a decade or more. Exit regret. Go! Would you fucking move it, dude? Go! Jesus Christ, I gotta piss. Now you suck. Run the red. You fucking asshole. What are you doing? Jeez. Fucking idiot. Is that a legal U-turn? Jesus. Thank you. Tired. Yellow. Red. You're running the red. Yeah, you're in the red. Folks, maggot. No, masshole. You have to go straight from that lane. Don't turn left. Do it. Don't do it. Yellow. Red. Not let me win. Shut off your high beams. Stop tailgating. Hello. What the fuck are you doing? Douchebag. What the fuck? Ran the red. Left turn regret. No. He was merging, and you're not supposed to go with a solid line. Close enough, Subadoosh. Thank you. Thank you. Move. Turd. Oh, look, kids, it's mulching season. Jesus! Christ, thanks, everybody. Are you gonna race to run the red like that? Yep. Ran the red. Next dive. And stop. I don't think you stopped. You definitely did not stop. That was still red. Hello? That was still red. A little closer, why don't you? Jesus! try looking first, lady. Could your muffler be any fucking louder? No, there's someone there, stupid. Yeah, okay, cut him off, no problem. Alright, who are you cutting off here? Oh, okay. It's red, you scumbag. What the fuck? Hello. Durham School Services. Duh. Am. Stop for a turn. Hey. Yes, you ran the red light. Shit. Alright. Dude, do you know what lane you want to be in? Let's go.